Hello and welcome to this Pearson Primary Geography Unit briefing. In this video I'll be taking you through our unit on mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes. One of the core underlying theories of physical geography and geology is plate tectonic theory, which explains how the major landforms on Earth have developed over time. It's this movement of tectonic plates which also helps to explain mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes, which are taught together in this unit. The national curriculum states that pupils should describe and understand key aspects of physical geography, including climate zones, biomes and vegetation belts, rivers, mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes. So let's take a closer look at the work booklet that pupils will complete as they move through this unit. The booklet begins with a double-paged knowledge organiser. The structure of the Earth's layers is set out, as well as a simple diagram showing how and why volcanoes emerge and erupt. Different types of mountains are shown, as well as the names of rocks and metals that we referenced throughout the units, such as basalt, granite and nickel. A further vocabulary list is included with lots of Tier 3 vocabulary. Each of the 6 lessons is framed around an inquiry question. It may be helpful to share this question at the beginning of the lessons to frame the learning, as well as ending the lesson by having pupils jot their key reflections in the learning review column here. Now, let's take a closer look at each of the lessons in turn. The first lesson asks, what's the Earth made of? In this lesson, pupils will learn about the 4 major layers of the Earth's structure: the inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. They'll also learn about the differences between the oceanic and continental crusts, the major tectonic plates and where they are located. Lesson 2 asks, how are mountains and volcanoes formed? Pupils will learn about the major mountain ranges across the world, as well as the Ring of Fire, where most of the world's volcanoes are located. The creation of fold mountains through tectonic plate movement will also be set out. And finally, both shield and stratovolcanoes will be explored, and how they develop as magma flows or erupts through the Earth's surface. Lesson 3 asks, how do earthquakes and volcanic eruptions happen? Pupils will learn about the moment magnitude scale and how plate movement can cause seismic waves and movement in the crust. They'll also learn how magma chambers build up in pressure until they erupt through a vent in the Earth's surface. Finally, pupils will learn about scientists' ability to predict earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Lesson 4 asks, what are the effects of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions? Through 2 case studies, pupils will learn about how the devastating impacts of volcanoes and earthquakes can be. The Tohoku earthquake and Fuego eruption in Guatemala will demonstrate the immediate and secondary effects of a volcanic eruption, as well as the immediate and long-term responses that needed to be made. Lesson 5 asks, do the benefits of living near a volcano outweigh the risks? In this lesson, pupils will learn about some of the benefits of volcanoes, including fertile land, geothermal energy and tourism. Along with the previous lesson, pupils will then be in a position to make a judgment about the pros and cons of living near a volcano. And the final lesson, lesson 6, asks pupils to imagine you're in charge of a town. How would you prepare for a volcanic eruption? Pupils will use their knowledge of how and why volcanoes erupt, as well as some of the immediate effects, to outline the risks of living near a volcano. They'll then consider the responses made by scientists, governments and the community to best prepare for these eruptions. We hope that you enjoy teaching this Pearson unit on mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes, and that your students enjoy learning all about it. The video ends here.